running Kimono here. So, Walgreens right here, and everything went really well, including like a $2 and some change money maker as a curbside pickup. Posted a video first thing this morning about this. There's nothing better than free makeup. Some other really sensible deals as well. So I'm very happy with my second little haul over at Walgreens. Rite Aid, I did one of those monster baskets right here of spend 50, save 10. So I'm going to jog you through what I did. And over here we have Meijer. This is a store predominantly in the Midwest. And they provided a bunch of really nice, how do I say this? M-Perks that were like really good percentage off or like free items. Two of these items are completely for free. Some of them you have to do today. Today's the last day for it. And I think they were trying to do this in concert with Amazon Prime Days just to get people in the store. So including free clean cult products, really cheap Garnier, and free Suave. So we're gonna go through that. If you're from the Midwest, you might wanna hang out till the end for that. Weather report for you guys, kind of a cold one. So it was like 80 degrees on the weekend and then it dipped down to 50. So that's a huge drop in temperature. Hi to my mom if she's watching. Okay, so let's talk about this real quick. I made a video first thing this morning on the Revlon, so hopefully you caught that. But if you didn't, we're gonna go through this again. This is a curbside pickup, which means I drive to the store and then I physically walked into the store because I wanted the receipt for IBOTTA. So these are on a BOGO 50% off. I ordered them through my cell phone, through the app. So for the two of them, it was $7.40, subtracting the 4 off of 2 digital. I threw in $3 of Walgreens cash, so I paid 84 cents, guys. And then IBOTTA has $3 back for each. So that is $6 back. So it made it free plus a $2.60 money maker. That's kind of fantastic. The video will be linked at the very end if you would like to do the same deal. It is just great when we can get free eyeshadow and Revlon eyeshadow too. So Angel Soft is $5.99. I had a $4 store coupon that I was just itching to burn in my wallet, so I threw that in, along with I had a $1 digital for this guy. So after everything was said and done, it was $1.11. This is a good amount of toilet paper, so I'm very delighted to get this. So Mr. Purex is $1.99. In last weekend's Smart Source, I believe, or no, in last weekend's Savings Insert, there was a $1 coupon, so it drops it down to 99 cents. IBOTTA has a $1 rebate, so it basically makes it for free. That coupon is absolutely strict, where it's like 1 coupon per household, per person, per day, or else. I just used one. I didn't want any trouble in the store today, but I was still happy to get another free Purex. So I got one on Sunday and then I got one today. That IBOTTA rebate I think was expiring in 10 hours. So I was very happy to get at least one more. Mio, which is just basically some drops to put into water, 0 calories, so it is sugar free. This guy is $2.99. Shopkick has 700 points back when you buy this guy, which is basically like $2.80. So it drops it down to 19 cents after everything is said and done. And yeah, so I got a sweet tea one and then I have this energy one. So it's just nice to keep this in your purse, you know, to jazz up some water, especially on a hot summer day. Okay, Team Gain. Unfortunately, all of the fabric enhancing products at my store were gone. I think somebody went in and cleared everything and it was not I. So I got 2 detergents in 1 fling. We have a $1 digital for this, a $1 digital for this, and in the savings insert of June the 13th, I believe, there was a $1 one for that. So for the 3, it's $14.97. $1 digital, $1 paper. And then I also threw in a $4 store coupon as well. So my new total was $7.97. And I used some Walgreens cash, of course, because I wasn't going to pay that out of pocket. So I paid $2.97 cash out of pocket. The $5 register reward did not print. The machine was out of paper or something goofy. So the manager just gave me the $5 on my store card, which was super nice. $2.97 for the 3 or 99 cents after everything's said and done. I'll take that all day, every day. And I think it's just a really smart deal that if you have a store coupon, like what do you do with it? If you have register rewards, what do you do with it? You got to roll it into another deal, and to pay 99 cents for gain, I have no problem with that. In the store, I found this today and I was like, what? So these are these AT&T smartphones that were on clearance a couple of months back, and this one was on clearance again. So here's the phone right here. Always open it up to double, triple check. This guy was $3.49. The original price, I think, is $39.99. Here's a fun little fact. If you're an Amazon or eBay seller, you could put this on sale for $49.99. $10 for shipping, and then after your fees, you're probably making like $35 profit. And I used my cash to pay for that. Okay, subtracting the what you paid for it too. I know people will come for me in the comments saying, eh. So let me think here. It's probably like $30 profit out the door after you do your eBay fees, shipping, and yeah, and then what you paid for this, which is really fantastic. Only one I found, and I was delighted to find the one, but these just sell like hotcakes online, like people really want them. Or you could possibly use this for, you know, if you wanted to use it as a second phone, maybe at the Dollar General, and just connect it to your Wi-Fi. I know a lot of you were doing that, so I was really happy to find a second one. Anyhow, really delighted with my Walgreens haul today. Just really fantastic deals. I hope they just keep coming. Obviously, to do Walgreens with Ibotta, there's just so much more that we can do with it, and especially like deals like this or the Purex. That's why all of you should be on the Ibotta app, because there's so many extra deals that pop up in the week with that one app. And if you have not signed up, check out the link in the notes. And I think when you submit your first qualifying receipt, perhaps it could be this dealio or the Purex if you want an easier one. You're given like a $20 bonus with my referral code, so check that out. So anyhow, loving Walgreens. What a great little haul today. So over at Rite Aid, the manager rang me up, and he is like a Navy SEAL. There is no tomfoolery or nonsense with coupons when he is there, so I kept it above board. You know, just scanned my card, didn't bat an eyelash, and I didn't want any trouble. But what I love about the manager ringing me up, no mistakes. It is a perfect transaction. He's like a Navy SEAL of couponing. So I really appreciate that about him. So Airwick is buy 15, get back $5 in bonus cash. These with my gold discount are $3.67, so that was $14.68. I was short. So I bought more in a second transaction. He allowed that, which was really nice. So anyhow, with the gold discount, and what a gold discount means is that in the last calendar year, I've spent $1,000, so I get 20% off of regular merchandise. This is part of it. Anyhow, $14.68 for these four. It's a little oil and plug, and we have a BOGO free coupon from a recent Smart Source insert, so I used 2 of those. Okay, the Raid, I got 2 cans of this Ant and Roach. They are $5.35 with my gold discount, so for 2 of them, that's $10.70. $5 of bonus cash when you buy 2. The Shea Moisture, one was like $2.87 and one was $3 and change. Got 2 different ones. So that was $6.48, and we have a 6 off of 2, so it made it 48 cents for the 2, and this would really bulk up my basket. The Playtex tampons, these are on a BOGO free BOGO 50% off promotion. So that was $8.98. We have a 3 off a 2, but to utilize a digital coupon with a spend 50, get 10 off, I had to have my basket at 53 because that would reduce down the basket, so meh. And there's also a $6 Ibotta bonus for this, or like $6, $3 back for each from Ibotta, so that's really terrific. Plus I got back $2 of bonus cash for buying 2. The soft discs are $3.99 with my gold discount, and then $3 back when you buy each. So that was $9 back. And then as I was short because of that digital coupon, I threw this in for 82 cents to get the basket to 50. So for all of this stuff, guys, the basket was $53.63. I had that 3 off a 2 digital for this. So anyhow, it dropped it down to $50.63. I got the manager to scan the 10 off of 50, went perfectly. I had a 6 off of 2 for this, and then 2 BOGO frees for this. And the new total was $27.63. I got back $16 in bonus cash, and then 3 back for each from Ibotta for this. So not the greatest basket whatsoever, because I mean, it wasn't terrific. It wasn't terrific. But what I did, and I was really lucky that the manager let me buy 2 more of these. I did this in a separate transaction. $3.67 times 2, it's $7.34. I had that BOGO free coupon, so $3.50 came off. I paid $3.84 and then got back my $5 of bonus cash. So now for this promotion, you can do it twice of spend 15, get back 5. It's either 2 times or 4 times, I don't know. I'm $7 short, so I'm gonna do one more $50 basket, or grab like that little diffuser thing for like $7 or $8 and then use that $3 coupon and make something happen. But yeah, these baskets for the items, for the sales and all that stuff this week over at Rite Aid, it is really hard to make something happen without paying like at least $10, because the items that are giving back bonus cash, it's not spectacular where, you know, it's just like regular weeks where it's like so great. But I was still happy to do it on 2 store cards and to really roll a lot of my bonus cash. And this is a really great deal too. If you use these discs, or, you know, were curious to use them. It's supposed to be like 3 super tampons. So kind of an interesting product. But anyhow, that was Rite Aid. I'm gonna definitely go back and get one more $50 basket. And then on my other store card, I think I'm just gonna buy $7 of Airwick stuff to get my $5 of bonus cash and call it a DAY. Over at Meijer, and Meijer is in the Midwest, so if you don't have this store, sorry, there is no sister store, Midwest only, guys. So these Clean Cult products, it's supposed to be package free, fantastic for the environment. Today is the last day for this, which is Tuesday the 21st. So I got these dishwasher tabs, and there's 32 in this package, just to show you guys. That's what they look like. And there's an M-Perk for free Clean Cult product. So it basically zeroed this guy out totally for free. And this is originally a $14.99 product. So to get this for free, yes please and thank you so much. 1 per store card. So I did this on hubby's store card and I did this on my store card. This is a pump for liquid dish soap, so you could use it in your kitchen. And the original price point was $10. So to get 2 Clean Cult products this cheap, yes, I will do that all day, every day. So again, this was only for a Monday and Tuesday, and I think they did this to try to compete with like Amazon Prime days. But hey, I'll take it. And even though this stuff has clearance stickers, it doesn't matter. It still will work with the M-Perk. And the M-Perk is kind of goofy where it says online only, or the Meijer website, but I think that was an error because it is for in-store. Another little deal that's ending today is with the Garnier. This guy is $6.99. We have a $4 M perk dropping it down to $2.99. And today is the last day for this skincare. An all week long deal, and it is quite fantastic. The Suave, both the men and the ladies. Check out this one. It's an exfoliating line. They have a whole bunch of different scents. So these are $1.99 a pop. So for 2 of them, that's $3.98. We have 2 off of 2 automatic savings when you buy 2 Suave products, plus a 2 off of 2 M perk. So you're paying nothing out of pocket other than your tax. And then Ibotta is giving back 75 cents when you buy this one and this one, giving you $1.50 back. So it makes it free plus a $1.50 money maker. And if you want to go and grab 2 men's, that's cool, or 2 ladies, that's cool. Or if you want to grab 1 of each, you can also do that. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.